created my event in Splash, I can now go into Marketo and find the program that's created. With the Splash Marketo integration, program creation happens automatically as you create your event. As you can see, emails, reports, and campaigns also come with that. In order to make the connection between your event partner in Marketo, simply go to Event Actions, Event Settings, and select your event partner. In this case, we'll use ON24. And in order to make the tie back to ON24's webcast, you simply need the event ID, which can be found here. Copy that over and paste it into Marketo. Once you hit save, you've now made the connection between Splash and Marketo and ON24. Anytime somebody comes to the Splash registration page, fills out their information, they will then be created in Marketo with the status of registered and then passed down into ON24. When the event actually happens, ON24 will then pass attendee data back to Marketo, keeping your reports seamless across all systems and allowing you to follow up accordingly.